To import multiple files in JUMP, first place the files that you want to import in the same directory. In this demo, I use the import data found in the JUMP samples import data folder. Under the file menu in Windows, I'll select import multiple files. On a Mac, it's file open multiple. I'll browse to select the samples, then import data folder. All the files show up here in the Files Preview window. Now we need to set which type of files to import from that directory. I'll choose Select File by Name or Extension, and then type in UN, the wildcard, .csv. So this selects anything that starts with UN and ends with CSV. Then press Enter. If I do add different file types, my Files Preview window will adjust to show which files will be imported. Keep in mind you can also add multiple file names. I'll toggle on Stack Similar File Types and keep Data Type toggled on. Now I'll select Import. And the result is one stacked data table from those selected data tables. Again, you can save the import settings as a script and then run that script when the data is updated in the future. Remember, you can practice this with the included import data folder in the JUMP samples folder. Thanks for choosing JUMP.